First, let me thank our friends at Vega Cadillac for lending me this car to show you guys the before and after. Anything that's pretty much chrome in the front got blacked out. Blacked out these chrome moldings underneath the fog lights. I've never liked the design that Cadillac did where they use very small lights and this is so big in the front. Aesthetically, I just don't like it. The bottom piece, I think should be color matched to the car to give it a lower stance in the bottom, even though that is their logo and you know it's a Cadillac. I've never been a fan of all the colors. Now they do offer one that comes with gray inside, and that's what we're gonna do to this one. We're gonna change the chrome to black. All these different colors will be gray. One thing I love is the new V model that Cadillac makes, and it takes some sort of a molding here which makes this part of the bumper look totally different. We're gonna tape up in the front bumper and I'm gonna paint this in gloss black to give it that same look, which I really think makes a huge difference. And now you'll have more black and you'll have the silver color of the car in the front. I'm not a big fan of the markers on the side of the car. That orange shouldn't be there. I'm gonna color match it to the color of the car, which still doesn't take the function away of the lights working. Wheels, you know what I'm gonna do. 24-inch Avorza wheels, a must. I don't like how the factory wheels stick in. I don't like how small they look. You'll notice the difference. Brake calipers, once I put the Avorza wheels on, we're gonna go with the AV19, which is a multi-spoke. I think it fits this car. I'm gonna paint the brake calipers in red. I like how the contrast of the gray and red will look together, and also when you have the multi-spoke wheel, you'll be able to see it a lot better. These are permanent steps. We don't really paint those because you're constantly going in and out. Painting them is really a waste of money. We do paint underneath here. There is a molding down here that is still plastic. I will color match that to the car to make it even with the front, because once I do the front, this will be gray as well. And now it follows through all the way to the back. All the chrome moldings on the side, like I said, on the black package is available when you order the car. It's called the Sport package, sorry. It comes black already. Roof rails need to be black. Now in the back part of the car, again, on the Sport package, this molding could come in black, but this car in particular came in chrome. We're gonna paint it in black. We're gonna black out the logo again, put the silver color in the center to eliminate all those different colors. The bumper in the bottom is black. You'll notice it more here than any part of the car. And you can see it also on the side of the car. We're gonna color match the bottom of the bumper to make it look more complete, more like if it had a body kit. We'll black out the exhaust tips and these moldings. You'll see what a difference all these small details can make. And there you have it, guys. This is the way I would drive an Escalade. Blacked out, all the chrome, gray center on the logo, bottom spoiler color match to the car to give it a better stance. The black I was telling you about, what a difference it makes when you see this black. Looking at from the front, it just changes the entire car. Side markers, color match to the car. To me, that orange doesn't even match there. 24-inch Avorza AV19 forged wheels. I custom make these wheels and engineer them for this vehicle. For the weight, no vibration, fits like a glove. Red calipers, as I said, when you put the multi-spoke, you're gonna see it more. That's why we went with the red calipers. All the window moldings are now black. Roof rails black. Bottom piece I told you, now color matches the car. Molding in black. And the back. No more two-tone bumper. Now it all matches the color of the car. Looks more complete, looks like if it has a body kit. Exhaust tips in black. Moldings in black. All the emblems are in black. Same thing with this molding went black. And the logo blacked out with the gray. Small differences, that makes a mom's soccer car look like a badass car. And the good thing about having a car that's the same, look at the difference before and after. Seeing it this way gives you the idea that goes through my mind every time I see a factory car. That's the look we're looking for. The rear, same thing. When you see them together, you can tell the difference. Don't forget to like and to hit that subscribe button. Remember, I could be doing the car you drive next.